Welcome to Auto Trend. Today the Honda Accord is a mid-size sedan known for its reliability, comfort, and performance. It is one of Honda's most iconic and best-selling models, offering a well-balanced mix of practicality and driving enjoyment. The Accord is available in several trims and powertrains, including a fuel-efficient hybrid variant. Recent models feature a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing around 192 horsepower or a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that generates up to 252 horsepower, paired with either a CVT or a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Accord's exterior showcases a sleek and modern design, with a low, wide stance, LED lighting, and available alloy wheels that enhance its sporty appearance. Inside, the cabin is spacious and refined, offering premium materials, comfortable seating for 5 passengers, and generous trunk space. The dashboard features a user-friendly infotainment system with a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available wireless charging and navigation. Safety is a strong suit of the Honda Accord, equipped with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and road departure mitigation. The Accord consistently earns top safety ratings from the IIHS and NHTSA. Fuel economy is impressive, especially in the hybrid models, which can achieve over 45 mpg combined. Even the gas-powered versions are efficient, with the base engine delivering an estimated 30 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway. The Honda Accord appeals to a wide range of buyers, from families to commuters, due to its versatility, value, and strong reputation for longevity and low maintenance costs.